Hello everyone, back at it again with the one and only Dyan'van. If you haven't subscribed, please do the right thing. Hit that subscribe button. Put on the notification bell videos without wasting more time. It's a different day, a different video. For intro, if I where you've been? Where have you been? But yeah, today is a different day, a different video. Reacting to Blue Pappi. If you know the Quellas, you definitely know who Blue Pappi is. Took me for a knife. Took me for a knife. A boost. Okay. This is nice. This is mellow. This is mellow compared to the sound that you hear.
Yeah. Mr. July once again, my stroke, ask my shot again. As I'm saying, it's a killy game. It's a look at Celia, Quella man. As I didn't need a man, sipping Henny to deal with the pen.
Isn't just says he clockily game. Lose the long Quella man. If you've heard about the Quellas, you know the lingo of what's the qua, quelling on the highest level. Yeah, that all comes from the Quellas. They're the pioneers of that. I don't know if it's a language or it's a type of way of speaking, but they're the pioneer. The whole world is saying what's the qua because of them. Isn't just like it's a clockily game. They're at the highest level in the music industry right now. They're one of the most booked artists in SA currently. Every event you need to have the Quellas. They fire.
It ain't just smoke, I hold in my chest. I ain't snitching, I cannot confess. I know they talk about me, go become Dyan'van, no shots, I come with fame. Feeling saucy, who's to blame? This life, it ain't the same. We ain't trapping, they feeling the pressure. Call us up, I've been trying to tell you.
It's a fire video. It's a fire video. It's blue, just like Blue Pappi. This whole video is like blue, and his name is Blue Pappi. When he came into the scene, he had like this teddy bear. It was a blue teddy bear. He used to carry all the events. Every video you'd see him, he had that blue teddy bear. I think that's where the name Blue Pappi came from. But yeah, I don't see it recently. I don't see it. I don't know. He already solidified his name in the industry. He doesn't need all that bullshit. It's like Casper when he came in with a ponytail. We didn't know who it was. It was that dude with the ponytail. You can differentiate. We know him because of the ponytail, but now he doesn't need it. He's a big cat. He's a big cat. Quelling, boy. On the highest level. Okay. That's what we're talking about.
I've been running, make my leg. Cause one catch me for I've been running, there's a missing days. So when's our
I've been running. Dala ebaleka. I don't know if he's running the game. Is it running from something? But his homies used to carry. His homies were his lifeline. They carried him through tough times. Ehlatywa ngameva. Zimbeleka. Zamenza wathini? Walula umthwalo. Listen.
walula umthwalo. Manje uzongithola esentini embadadane ngole kwathasha ngidlela ishawe. Umfana ohlasa unemali ekhukhwini. Uyigogopha for bangine stamina.
If we had to go pound for pound, do you know stamina? He has so much money.
Still I
I'll
don't
buy
feel
you,
rich.
I'll
They don't
buy
do
you.
this for
Let's
pleasure.
start me, nigga.
Kaya ko ngumaw yang presa.
Hey. Balega, hey. Umthwalo. Running. Walula umthwalo. Hey. Umfana wehlaza. This is hard. This was nice and short. straight to the point. He was showing us something different. When you think about the Quelas, you think about that crank, that mosh pit type of music. When you hear this, it's so mellow, so chilled, so cool. My boy was feeling himself. I've been running, been balega, hlatshwa meva, jazabza menza walulu mthwalo. Make sure you have friends, just like the Quelas, bruh. Just like the Quelas, who will make your life on earth very easy. Will be there for you. But yeah, this was nice and short, straight to the point. Blue Pappi from the Quelas. I absolutely love this. They took him for he's showing us, don't take me for a 9. Don't take me for a boost. I can do more than just I can be laid back, brother. I can be laid back. But yeah, that was Blue Pappi with Took Me For a 9. See you in the next reaction. Issue.